Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasngi. Railang ki District Council ka jila ban persya ya ka jingtray kam ka UCC ha jila. Haba kentu ya ka sorkar ban penyok hambun ka pisa syakilai teli ki ADC uba titas ulaong. Ngi kentu ya ka sorkar jila ban penyok hambun ka pisa ya ki ADC khamtam kum na ka plan scheme ber ki wei ki jingerap song pisa. Nalor kane UCEM ka KHADC ulaong bakilai ADC kilaya krenru halor ka jingsnem jong ka sorkar ban pelat ya ka song pisa 15 Finance Commission ba ay da ka sorkar preng bat kerpat ban pelat nyo ya ka song pisa hapo ka por badai. Ngi kentu ya ka sorkar ban pelat ya ka pisa jongi hapo ka por badai namar ka jing pensnem ha ka jing pelat ya ka pisa kalam sya ka jingslem ban pentre kam ya ka scheme. Ka sorkar pedeng ka jupin bor yang ngi ban IT ya ki utilization certificate UC henry ngim la ban ai ya ki UC jongi hapo kapor namar ngiru ngim syamlayo ya ka song pisa hapo kapor balabu ulaong. Karkum ka jing ong jong u ki laitli ki ADC hadu menta kimpat yo satia ya ka song pisa biade bar ka United Scheme jong usnem arhajar arpuwe arhajar arpuar bat arhajar arpuar bat usnem arhajar arpulai. Namar katangi kwa ban kentulang ka sorkar jela ban kmi bakum kini ki jingpen slam haga jingpen tray kam ki scheme kam day banja satia ula benram.
Especially regarding the intention of the central government to introduce their bill of uniform civil code in the country. So we feel that UCC will directly had an impact on the powers and function of the Autonomous District Council, especially with our custom, our traditional practice, community as a whole. So we have unanimously decided that jointly we will pass a resolution that implementation of UCC in the 6th schedule area will be totally opposed. We will pass also a resolution in our respective council soon regarding this matter. Secondly, regarding the proposed amendment of the 6th schedule, this matter has been kept for so long, so we would like that amendment of 6th schedule should be passed by the central government soon in the parliament. But there are some issues which are still pending regarding two issues, that is the implementation of village council in the scheduled area and unrepresented tribe. These are the two issues which are still pending, which needs to be elaborated more, to discuss more. So we have discussed this matter seriously. I would like to inform you that we have highlighted to our friends from Garo Hills and Jante Hills that in KHADC we have passed an act which called Village Development Council Bill. So we would like to see that even in this two council also, which they should pass this bill, so that implementation of village council will no longer implement in our state, because we have our own traditional institution. Because according to this proposed amendment, the implementation of village council in our state will dilute the powers and function of our traditional institution. So we will not like to see that our traditional institution will go away. We would like to see them to remain with our traditional practice. So that's why we have decided that these matters will be discussed in their respective council soon, and they have also their own bill in the respective council, like Jaintia Hills and Garo Hill also. Maybe they will have more amendment, or they will pass this separate bill, which we call Village Development Council bill. As you know, that issuing of scheduled tribes certificate was issued by the district council. So now also we would like to urge the state government that this subject should be given back to all the autonomous district council for issuing the scheduled tribes certificate.
And we have discussed regarding this one.
PRC.
PRC, yes.
Yeah, that issuing of PRC also by respective deputy commissioner. So this issue also we have to get before issuing any PRC by the district administration, should get first the confirmation from all the district council.